I get a lot of questions and emails, questions about Avata flight techniques and settings, and also now for the Neo. More and more law enforcement and firefighter departments are experimenting with the Neo, and there is a trick I found out. Well, most of you who have used the N3 controller that came with the first combo with the Neo that I bought also, you can change the stick rates. With the Avada you can only do stick rates when you want to fly in manual mode, but not in normal mode. And stick rates, it's like your mid stick expo. That means that from the beginning that you are change your stick direction, the gain of this, how the drone responds. And this is for me as a manual flight pilot in freestyle drones or Cinewhoops without sensors. It's key for your flight performance and for precision flying. With Avada you just can't do this. This is a little bit negative side for me to get real precision flying. But with the Neo now you can do this. You translate it, the gain and export tuning automatically to the Neo's memory, and when you want to fly with the goggles and with the FPV3 controller, it just take over those expo gains that you set in the N3 controller. And the same for I use for the normal switch my personal gains, but also in the sports modes it translated from the N3 controller, sport modes gain settings, and then when you used to fly with the FPV3 you can switch to your normal or sports rates. It can be day and night difference for precision flying. So I hope I can help some people out with this. And of course, more of all those tips, tricks, get all out of your Neo, your Avada for tactical flights, still provided during the trainings of Prof-Worx. So here you see the Neo, how slow it responds to my stick input.